Did you know Amazon just launched a brand new type of sponsor product video ad that can instantly boost your visibility and conversions? If you are wondering how this new video ad work, how to set them up and what makes them different from the old format, you are in the right place. Well, in this video, I will walk you through every step of creating and optimizing these new video ads. So let's get started. Previously, we seen that we were able to create video ads for the sponsor brand video and for the display ads type. But now, we will be able to run video ads for the sponsor product video. Let me show you from my screen how sponsor brand video ads shows in the search result page. Here, after searching with a keyword, here you can see at the top of the search result page, the video ads is showing. And also you will find the sponsor brand video ad at the middle of the search result page. And also a video will show at the bottom of this page. If you want to see the sponsored display video ads, you have to move to the product detail page. Under product detail page, you will be able to see the sponsored display video ads. Now let me show you how you can add the video to the sponsor product campaign. From here, I am going to the campaign manager. From the campaign manager, you have to go to the create campaign. Here you can see 4 options that actually we can create the campaigns. So we know that we were able to create video ads for the display ad and for the sponsor brand ad. So let me click here. But the thing is, for the sponsor brand video and for the sponsor display video, we can directly add the video to the campaign whenever we are creating the campaign. But for the sponsor product campaign, we will not be able to do this. Here, I'm going to the sponsor brand campaign. Here you can see we can choose video as ad format. But if we go to the sponsor product campaign, there are no video ad format is available. Now the question is how we will be able to add video to the sponsor product campaign. Yes, you can add, but not while you are creating campaign. You have to add the video after creating the campaign. Let me show you. I am picking one of my sponsor product campaign and then I am going to the ad group, and under ad group you can see new video tab. So I am clicking here. Here we are. You can see we can add video for each product in this campaign. So if I click to the add video, here if you want to upload the video, so then you can click to upload a video, or if you want to add the video from your creative section, so then you can choose from creative assets. And if you want to learn more about the sponsor product video, so you can click here. Here actually Amazon didn't tell that much about sponsor product video, but you can take some idea from here. Like each video should be at least 7 seconds and can demonstrate one or more unique product features. And also you will be able to upload up to 5 product feature video per product. Like if you upload more than 3 product feature video, Amazon will take 2 from there. After uploading the video, you can simply click to the submit for review. So this way you will be able to add video for the sponsor product campaign. Still it's in a beta version, so Amazon can change the feature in future. We are assuming as we got a good sales from the sponsor brand video campaign, so hopefully we will be able to get a good sales from the sponsor product video campaign as well. So you can must try this campaign for your product, and then you can create a sponsor product video campaign for your account as well to engage more customers to your product. Hope you have a better idea now how to create sponsor product video ads. Further, if you have any question or suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. We are always here to help you. We'll see you in another video with the result of sponsor product video campaign. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.